Today, I'm going to share with you 3 steps that you can use to organize anything. The first is to group similar items together. Then, simplify the groups. And finally, find one and only one home for each group. Okay, for example, bags. There are multiple kinds of bags in your home. Suitcases, travel bags, backpacks, purses, you name it. There are all kinds of bags for all kinds of purposes. If you gather all of those bags together and put them in one pile, it will help you gain a realistic picture of how many bags you have and what types of bags you have. And of course, this does a couple of things. It helps you know what you have so you don't buy something else. But then it also helps you simplify. You can get rid of the bags that you don't use, you've never used, the ones that are broken or dirty, and then you can keep all of your bags in one location. Same thing for mugs or cups in your kitchen. If you gather all of your drinking glasses into one location, then you can even subcategorize by cups, mugs, travel cups, sports bottles, and you can see exactly what you have, what you can get rid of, and then find one home for all of your drinking glasses. So remember those 3 steps. Group similar items together, simplify the groups, and then find one and only one home for each group. Now, if you think you have a tricky situation, please leave a comment below and I will answer it. See, maybe if I have an answer. And if you want to learn more about simplification, I know simplifying the groups can actually be the most difficult part, but that happens to be my favorite subject. I love all things simplification. And I have a course called Simplify Your Stuff. So if you would like to know more about that, just click the link below and you can find out what's included and how you can be connected to a group of like-minded people who are on this same decluttering and simplifying journey that you are.